Hello viewers, all of you, welcome to my YouTube channel Out of Box with Anil Pandey. Today I will just show you the Prestige City 2 BHK configuration. That is 971 square feet and carpet area 638 square feet. So be with the video, don't skip the video, and also it is request kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon, and also share this video to your contact people who need the house in A class builder Prestige. Because it happens, people have just given me numerous messages, so that I am just showing you the model flat which is there in Prestige City, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. So by showing this, you will get a idea what 2 BHK configuration have. Now see, the moment you enter, you will get a living and dining area, and then living and dining is quite spacious, and you get a balcony in the living room. Just check it. For a small family, it is this area is okay. So just now see, the full living and dining is having a quite huge space. And balcony is also of near about 10 feet length and 4.5 feet wide. This is one bedroom. Near about 11 to 12 square feet. And as per your requirement, you can do the interior and wardrobe. You can fit as per your interior requirement. The window you are getting in a wardroom, and that is specific, you see it in infrastructure covered by just outside of window the AC positioning with covered area for security point of view, so that it is a high rise, should not fall down for any of the wind move. So they are securing and providing the place for AC. Now you see, this is one bedroom I am just showing you. And this is area a quite bathroom is also a spacious bathroom with branded fittings. And this is your master bedroom. This is near about you can say 12 into 14 square feet, a large, spacious, attached bathroom with again branded fittings. Quite a spacious bathroom. And also a window. Now again I am showing you the washroom and living area, living dining. Then you just check it out, the kitchen with utility. So quite spacious as per the 2 BHK size. So these model flats which I am showing you yesterday, I have just uploaded for 1 BHK. Now this is a continuous series where I will be just uploading whatever the people, because so many people have just requested, kindly show me, because this need differs. Somebody want 1 BHK, 2 BHK or 3 BHK. So I will be carry on showing you the flat, model flats available, means design. So, and because it depend upon the budget, people are of different budget. Somebody might want to buy 1 BHK or 2 BHK, depend all on the budget and requirement of the individual. So they requested to me that show me the, so I am just in this series, you might have seen from yesterday onward, I am showing the model flat by which you can have an idea, and again who want to invest in this property, because it is located, it is very luxurious property in Sarjapur Road, having 188 acres of land with numerous, you can say, Vidal Towers, Avalon, Meriden, Eden and Aston, having a huge flat around 9,000 plus and villas. So you can understand, so many, so much that infrastructure is coming on the way to Sarjapur with so many amenities, metro connectivity to schools, colleges, reputed hospitals, shopping malls and IT hubs. So it is a very prime location in Sarjapur. And it happens always, I say in my video, whoever want to, because everybody doesn't take for living, somebody takes for growth purpose. So for growth or living purpose also, there is a very much appreciation is there. So who people want to invest in this property or want to buy on resale, that only proper place is Prestige Marketing Office. Contact there, they have all the information. So thank you again. I will come again for another flat video.